Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Satkara Mana Pujardham Tapodambhena cha Eva tat क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तम् राजसं चलम् अध्रुवम् ॐ Perform your austerity without expecting recognition, praise and rewards. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall perform my austerity without expecting recognition, praise and rewards. Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 350th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma kept all the Gopikas' cloths on his shoulder, and while giving a nice smile, Krishna Paramatma affectionately saying to Gopikas like this, "Oh my dear Gopikas, Yuyam vivastra yadapo dhrutavrataha vyagahata." You are all observing vratam. But in this vratam, what you have done is, you have taken your bath without having any clothes on your body. That is not good. Etad devahelanam, that is definitely doing wrong things towards the devatas. So, in order to get rid of that wrong thing, what you need to do is Badhvanjalim Murdhni Kritva Namaha. You have to keep your hands together, put it on your head and do namaskaram to me, and then come to me, take away your clothes. Vratamu phalamu meeku valasina చక్కగా నింతులెల్ల చేతులెత్తి మ్రొక్కి చేరి పుచ్చుకొనుడు చీరలు. Oh my dear Gopikas, if you want to get the benefit of the vratam that you have been doing, now what you need to do is put your both hands together, put it on your head and do namaskaram to me, and then come to me, take away your clothes. When Krishna said like that, all the Gopikas realized what is the wrong thing they have done. Now they are thinking like this: in order to have our vratam successfully done, in order to get all the benefit of vratam that they have done, there is only one way, that is to surrender, that is to do namaskaram to Krishna Paramatma, the one who is supreme, the one who can remove all the obstacles of the vratam, the one who can remove all the wrong things in the vratam, and the one who can give all the fruits of all the vratas. Asesha karmanam sakshat kritam, the one who is the ultimate benefit for all kind of meritorious deeds. Like that, Gopikas realized, and then Sarasa Leelan Mrukkiri, they have done namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. To get rid of all kind of sins, Gopikas heartfully did namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 18th sloka. Satkaramana Pujardham ತಪೋದಂಭೇನ ಚೈವ ಯತ್ ಕ್ರಿಯತೆ ತದಿಹ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ತಂ ರಾಜಸಂ ಚಲಮಧ್ರುವಂ. ಸತ್ಕಾರಮಾನ ಪೂಜಾರ್ಥಂ ತಪೋದಂಭೇನ ಚೈವ ಯತ್ ಕ್ರಿಯತೆ ತದಿಹ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ತಂ ರಾಜಸಂ ಚಲಮಧ್ರುವಂ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ಕರಿಷ್ಯೇ ವಚನಂ ತವ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ.